of shadow kin. Low in the midnight hush of Yggdrasil's deep roots. While waves whisper cold nose busting back up, Loki wailing drinks through a floating blood and Asgard's fire. Bear with giantess anger for the seed of sorrow, and from the faithful bond were born three dread kin. Hail of Neal and mighty Jormungandr, the world coiled. Yet deeper than flesh and bone and blood, these children were wounds of fate, shapes cast by word. Not mere monsters of earth or sky, but are the harbingers of hidden truths. Here are the half-dead stands at life's brink. Memento mori, a mirror to our mortality. Fenrir, the wolf unbound, our feral self unchecked. Jormungandr, the sea serpent, life's endless cycle. Tight coiled on sea beneath calm waves. Shadows children, Hela, queen in Niflheim's mist. Her visage half in light, half in dark, speaks to the dual nature in every soul. The blood shadow, the frailty of flesh. In death we're naked, yet in death truth is revealed. Fenrir, our instinct made flesh, fangs bared when the leash snaps. A warning, ungoverned fury, unmoors the soul. Jormungandr, the ringer of Midgard, dichotomic debt. A symbol, every act returns, every consequence loops. Hela's veil and Baldur's light, now behold the shining Baldur, son of Odin, fairest of the Aesir. Light embodied, bright as summer's heart, untouched by sorrow, beloved by all. When bridges of light and dark were built across the realms, Hela's shadows reached toward the pure flame of Baldur. In secret, in silence, she claimed his hand, not by guile, but by infusion. Both liminal, both thresholds, one of death's hush, one of light's spark. The union, Hela, queen of shades, and Baldur, lord of radiance. A marriage not of comfort, but of liminality, where life and death clasp hands, where light trembles at dusk, where endings and beginnings whisper in one breath. Hidden meaning, even in union, polarities persist. Death does not destroy light, it frames it. Light does not vanquish death, it honors it. The lays deeper resonance. Here than mortal soul, we are all children of Loki's paradox. Shaped by light and shadow, our fates coiling like the Midgard sea serpent, snarling like Fenrir within. Yet still we glow with Baldur's flame, even in the face of Hela's call. Our marriages, our bonds, our love, these are thresholds. In union we dance upon the rim of worlds, ever striving, ever fading, ever turning. So ends the lay of hidden fates. Not merely a tale of mythic monsters and gods, but a mirror of inner truth. Our light, our shadow, our thresholds, our transformations, and the marriages we make, seen or unseen, with the edges of what we are. Birth beneath the black roots, under Ash's shadow and Utgard's chill, when Niflheim's breath gnaws at root flesh, Loki the lie-smith laid with anger Botha. Wolf-hearted witch of the ironwood, from bed of bane, brood of words sprang. Hela half white, half withered, Fenrir, flame fang, Jormungandr, the girdler of gods. The daughter of death and Sather, Hela, hawkeeper of Helgride, mismantled green of God's side. Her left cheek bright as burst blue, her right black as raven's wing. She works savoring of still lands, finds breath to do, whispers to the Nornir. Weaving war fate and letting oaths to light. To ball the black blade bearer, she waits in shadow, locked in feast, firebrand and fox foes. Light and death joined, dawn and dusk clasped hands. The wolf and the white faith, Fenrir, fettered with fate's own chain. Great miracle words and gospel binding, priest forged his leaves from songs and iron oaths. Yet the wolf frowns in the soul's night, when wolf's breath steams the sky's rim. Church bells falter, creed cracks, for binding breeds breaking, and the wolf lights the serpent and the assaulter right. Jormungandr, girdle of Midgard, coiled crown of king right, and sees sacraments from fjord to fjord, from frost peak to fish shoal. He circles the realm as a softly demands the searing blessing, the girdle girding, the right that holds hall and heart in one drop. Solves by is his prison, die his temple floor. When his coil is realm runs red, for kingship breaks when the sea ring fails. The hidden wedding of realms. So was it in the age before ages? Death's daughter, the dream of dusk, crossed the hand of heaven's flame. We'll watch from feathers, serpents circled in soft silence, each in their place, yet all in the weave. Satyr binding faith and sea light turning round the spindle of fate. And beneath the rhyme marked this mind keeper. No faith stands alone, no right is unbound. Death loves light, light honors death. The wolf in creed, the serpent in crown, the witch in the world's dark marrow. All are kin in Loki's cunning brood, and all shall meet when Gjallarhorn shouts. The room beneath the rhyme marked this mind keeper. No faith stands alone, no right is unbound. Death loves light, light honors death. The wolf in creed, the serpent in crown, the witch in the world's dark marrow. All are kin in Loki's cunning brood, and all shall meet when Gjallarhorn shouts. The rune beneath the rhyme marked this mind keeper. No faith stands alone, no right is unbound. Death loves light, light honors death. The wolf in creed, the serpent in crown, the witch in the world's dark marrow. All are kin in Loki's cunning brood, and all shall meet when Gjallarhorn shouts.